So hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys doing absolutely very well, and today we are gonna talk about two news. The first one is 5.8 magnitude earthquake rattles Central California, and the second one is why diesel has become more expensive than petrol in Delhi, India. So let's get this video started. So here is our first news from California, USA. 5.8 magnitude earthquake rattles Central California. A 5.8 earthquake rattles portions of Central California on Wednesday. The quake struck at 10:40 am PDT and was centered about 6 miles southeast of Lone Pine, California, the US Geological Survey said. Lone Pine is located near Death Valley National Park, about 175 miles north of Los Angeles. There were no immediate reports of damage or injuries, according to Fox 26. People at several businesses near Lone Pine and Pisup told ABC News while the shaking was intense, they didn't see any damage. The quake was felt widely, including some 240 miles away in Sacramento. Over 10,000 reports of shaking were lodged by the USGS. Veteran seismologist Lucy Jones said on Twitter that the quake occurred in the same location as a magnitude 4.6 quake Monday tonight. That is now considered a foreshock, Jones wrote. The California quake comes a day after a magnitude 7.4 earthquake rocked the southern Mexico resort of Huatulco. That quake killed at least 6 people, damaged hundreds of homes and 4 archaeological sites, and temporarily cut power to more than 2.4 million people, authorities said. So here's our second news. Why diesel has become more expensive than petrol in Delhi. The price of diesel has traditionally been lower than that of petrol and continues to be lower in other parts of the country. In Delhi, diesel is now costlier than petrol after 18 hikes in a row. The price of diesel in New Delhi surpassed the price of petrol for the first time, with the OMCs hiking the price of diesel by 48 paise per litre to 79.88 rupees, even as the price of petrol was at 79.76 rupees, not hiked for the first time in 18 days. The price of diesel has traditionally been lower than that of petrol and continues to be lower in other parts of the country. The price of petrol has risen by 8.5 rupees per litre and the price of diesel has increased by 10.5 rupees per litre since 7 June, when oil marketing companies began revising the prices of petrol and diesel after an 82 days hiatus, during which the international price of crude oil fell to below $20 per barrel. Why has this happened in Delhi? The price gap between petrol and diesel in the national capital was 7.3 rupees on 5 May, when the Delhi government increased the VAT on diesel to 30% from 16.75% and that on petrol to 30% from 27%. Diesel also attracts an additional air ambience levy of 250 rupees per kiloliter. This increase brought the price of diesel within 2 rupees from the price of petrol at the time, a gap which has been closed with OMCs hiking diesel prices more than petrol prices. According to experts, there is very little difference between international prices of petrol and diesel currently, leading to taxes becoming the key component maintaining a price difference between petrol and diesel. The price of diesel and petrol are also almost on par in Ahmedabad, as the VAT on both petrol and diesel is comparable. While other states have also hiked levies on both petrol and diesel, most states have maintained lower tax rates on diesel than on petrol, leading to the price of diesel remaining below the price of petrol despite a greater hike in the price of diesel than the price of petrol over the past 18 days, as you can see in the image given on your screen. So yeah, that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to all to get notified whenever I upload my videos. And please keep watching, keep supporting the Contro Cover. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow.